Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. More remittances came into the country for the month of September compared to last year. The Bank of Jamaica says the $282 million in foreign exchange inflows was 17% or $41 million more than the same period in 2020. For the financial year to date, however, remittances amounted to $1.6 billion, an 18% increase. The largest source market of remittance inflows was the United States. Remittances from the country amounted to 70% of total flows, up from 67% in September 2020. Derrimon Trading says it has put the $3.5 billion raised through an additional public offering APO earlier this year to acquire new businesses offshore and complete the build-out of local business lines. CEO of Derrimon, Derek Cottrell, while speaking at the company's annual general meeting earlier this week, says the company has acquired a wholesale and retail business in the United States.
Food Saver New York is our newest acquisition. We bought that company earlier this year, and that company is doing very well. That's two businesses, to be frank with you, in United States, Brooklyn, New York to be exact. It is above our expectations. We have done a lot of work in terms of bringing what was really a mom and pop operation into a corporate operation. We have had to send people from here to visit there to bring it up to our standards, and we have managed to do that quite a bit.
Meanwhile, Mr. Cottrell says the Select Grocers supermarket in Mapen Clarendon, the company's building, will not be completed this year as planned.
We are now in construction of what will be our biggest store, one of Jamaica's biggest supermarket. Certainly will be the biggest in central Jamaica. We are putting the finishing touches on Select Grocers in Mapen, and we're hoping to make it for this year, but with the supply chain issues, we won't be able to open that store until early next year.
Local digital gift card supplier GiftMe has raised $1.8 million. The money will be used for, among other things, to build out its product offerings. The company has also committed to the implementation of new technology. The funds were raised through agreements with local investors. GiftMe is a digital gift card marketplace founded locally. It was launched in June this year. Now, the startup company currently has more than 85 businesses across various industries on its roster. On to stocks, the JSE index advanced by 522 points today, while the junior market index gained 28 points. Advancing today were JMMB Group 7.25% preference shares, ISP Finance Services, Mayberry Investments, Jamaica Broilers Group, and Paramount Trading Jamaica. While on the losing side were Productive Business Solutions 9.75% shares, Stanley Motor Ordinary shares, Kingston Properties, Everything Fresh, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. On to currency news, the Jamaican dollar has hit a new record low against the U.S. currency. It's costing an average $156.32 for $1. The previous record was $156.28 recorded just yesterday. Meanwhile, it's costing $125.54 for the Canadian dollar, $210.81 is the going rate for the pound, and $183.90 for the euro. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news are after the break. Stay with us.